Did you know that transforming your pool could completely redefine your outdoor space? I discovered this when I started exploring Affordable Pool Repair's diverse pool plaster options like pebble, marble, and quartz finishes. It's fascinating how each has its own unique charm and durability. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a haven that truly reflects your lifestyle. Investing time to learn about the pool renovation industry is essential, as it allows you to make choices that ensure long-lasting enjoyment and quality, transforming everyday relaxation into a luxurious escape right in your backyard.